Right, so I was drunk the other night and I got dared to wax my chest, but it's kind of gone really wrong. So I'm gonna show you that you must promise not to laugh, okay? Look at fucking this. I look like I've had fucking open heart surgery. What's happening, pussy holes? New environment. Yeah, somehow I'm at uni. It's been pretty interesting so far. I've had a lot going on, so I haven't been able to keep you all entertained with my stupid bald noggin, but hey, accidents happen. How do you think I got here? So I've been settling in pretty well. I've kind of had some weird shit happen. Fun fact, actually, I lost my V card last week. I wish I was joking. Yeah, 20 years of age, and I only plonked someone last week. It was a pretty awkward experience. I didn't like it one bit, but shit happens. Fuck off. Did you hear that Uni of Manchester have banned clapping at student union events? So I kind of thought, what ways can I work around this? And I've come to the conclusion that if I make them booty cheeks clap when I'm smashing people's back doors in, because yeah, I'm totally a top shagger now, I would have to kind of get to a point where I'm smashing someone's back doors in front of everyone at a student union event. But anything's kind of possible these days, and I mean, I could fake the footage. You ever thought about that? Stuff on YouTube's not actually real. I've also got this now. Oh, ignore this. I nearly cauterized my entire arm off while I was doing the cooking. So I mean, again, shit happens. Have you ever seen Star Wars? You know when Darth Vader chops your man's arms off? Yeah, it was kind of like that. I literally felt like my skin sizzle. But more importantly, I've got an encephalopod on my arm now. My justification was this. You ask any kind of geezer on the street, oh yeah, what, you gonna get a tattoo? What are you gonna get? Oh, I'm gonna get a fucking lion, bro. Oh, mate, piss off. Look, okay, if you came face to face with a lion, you'd be like, alright, sweet, it's a lion, they're land animals. But if you came face to face with a fucking octopus, what are you gonna do? Seriously, octopi are a million times more intelligent than humans are. I refuse to believe you will not shit your pants if you are sitting at the pub and a fucking octopus squiddles in. What are you gonna do? It's gonna eat you. Exactly. Terrifying. Alpha male fucking animal. Don't at me. I had a load of jokes written and I've kind of forgot them. I'm sorry. It's been a while. Look, consider this ring rust, alright? I'm still coming for the throne. But, I mean, there's some complications along the way. Don't kick off. I had a video in the works, actually. Kind of, but it was incredibly toxic as to what it was. I'm under strict recommendation that I don't name the individual that I was going to do the video on. Which is a shame, because the guy's a fucking rat. These things happen. You don't always get your own way. Do you ever notice whenever YouTubers take absences, they're like, oh yeah bro, I was working on a secret project. No you weren't, you were doing fuck all, just like I was. You were sitting on your fat fucking batty, doing jack shit you cunt. It's infuriating, mate. And tell you what else has been pissing me off as well. Shane Dawson's series. I was buzzed for that, and it's been 4 fucking episodes of him going, yeah bro, I'm gonna be a fucking sociopath while we're at it. Use my discount code mental health issues for 20% off at teespring.com. Shane, you've dropped the fucking ball. His kindness is his weakness. If you're going to dig and get information from an individual that he's investigating, I'm not even going to say the man's name, not giving him that promo, you know me, with my fucking 6 million subscribers. He's dropped the ball. He needs to switch off. He needs to needs to realise, fuck being nice, fuck overreacting, fuck interviewing random... Why is Einabber in the first episode? Bruv, well, he's a literal fucking soy boy. Why? I want to see some literal juice here, and I'm seeing him just prance about doing nothing. Shane, you've dropped the ball, you absolute dosser. I literally, I'm kind of sat here now, and I'm like, what the fuck am I doing? I'm kicking off at people I don't even know, and I mean it's cathartic. Don't get me wrong, but I'll tell you what. I'll tell you a joke. We'll end this on a light one. 2 peanuts were walking in a park. One was assaulted. All right, yeah, fuck off.